Alright, so we'll be starting with episode 1 of this series of creating TRILIZA. What is TRILIZA? TRILIZA will simply be a game which we'll create using Appgyver, which will resemble like this. This is like one of my favorite childhood games where we'll draw a board like this, right? It will be a whole large sheet of paper, not really small. And now we'll have a set of, how they call it, a set of points. Not really points, I mean a set of, how do I call it? Okay, pieces. We'll have each person has 3 pieces. It's a two-player game where each person has 3 pieces, and you have to set either you place it wherever you put one at a time. So like I'll put 1 here, the other person will put 1 here, I'll put 1 here. And the rule of the game, or basically the goal, is to have your 3 pieces in a straight line. That is in a straight line. Let's just see all these straight lines, so they must be in a straight line. And the only exception is that you can't put in a straight line at the beginning. That is, you can't put here, then you put here, then you put here. It makes no sense. Stops. You're not supposed to do that. So you put here, you put here, you put here, and after that now you can move, and you have to make sure that the first person to make a straight line wins. So that's it. So we'll be using Appgyver. Appgyver is an app builder, and here, as you can see, if you don't know about Appgyver, there's a link in the description on all you want to know about Appgyver. We'll be using this interface over here to do it. I know I've not updated videos in a very long while, but trust me, I've been using Appgyver for a long while. And this might seem like an impossible task because I don't even know how we're going to implement this, but I believe we can do this. I believe we can do a basic app on this, and from then we can even extend it into something cool, something cooler. So basically, I just wanted to share with you that yep, I'm back and we'll be creating some videos, some cool videos on Appgyver because I'm really loving Appgyver. I just recently finished an app, and I created for myself a movie app. As soon as it's out, I'll leave it in the description so that you can check it out, so I'll make a video on the app too. But that's it, the name of the game. Since the goal is to connect 3 objects, 3 of your pieces in a straight line, so I took the Greek word TRILIZA, which means 3 in a row. So that's the name of the game, TRILIZA. I'm using Appgyver to implement what I was explaining here in this diagram into the app. I know it's going to be confusing, it's going to be awesome, it's going to be it's going to be fleek. Trust me, you're going to learn a lot, and I'm going to learn a lot too on this journey because I have no idea how to even start it, but I know it is possible. I know we can do this. Alright, catch you in the next video. Also, I'm back, don't worry, I'm back, and we'll be doing our best, at least 3 videos a week. But this series will definitely be finished, and this app will definitely be working. Alright, see you.